this is Neha's Artistic Desk. It's been a while since I posted a full video, so here I'm back with another video how to draw a portrait. Well, this one is going to be a little bit lengthy, so please watch it till end. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already drawn a grid on A4 size. Well, for this one, we can use a grid app to make. So I have taken a 2 cm grid on A4. So make sure you closely observe to the picture so that it will be easy when you draw the outline. For the portraits, the grid method has been a game changer for me as a beginner. While these freehand sketches are completely different thing when compared to this. I'm using a normal basic lit pen to draw the outline. So you just need to do only one thing. Just observe the pic carefully and clearly and just draw the outline. So here you can see we have got the full outline of this sketch. Initially I just thought of using a graphite pencil for here, but I just compared the two pencils, that is one is a charcoal and another one is a graphite pencil, and I thought that the charcoal pencil given a more jet black kind of the thing which I wanted. So I just started using a charcoal pencil all over the hair. And to draw the hair first, we need to observe these partitions of the hair and the angle it's been falling. Then after making those partitions outlines, and we just need to apply the stroke steadily in the specific directions in which it is been falling, and we are good to go. Just make some hair strokes and light and dark shades with using eraser and pencil. For hair I'm using a brush to blend it. Brush make it even more smooth finish than the stump. Use it accordingly. For hair it took me around 1 hour to complete the overall structure. Now I just started making eyebrows. So just following the reference picture carefully. So for the eyebrows, I'm just outlining with a basic 0.5 mm lead pencil, to give the normal look for me to understand the just an outline. Then I started making it with 2B, 6B and 8B, and also with finally with 10B lit pencils. Here it comes to the eyes. So again I have looking to the reference picture very carefully, and then I have filled my outline with a 0.5 mm basic normal lead pencil, and then I gave a filling with 2B, 8B and 10B to the inner eyeball, and the blending it with the stump, and it took me approx 30 minutes to complete the eye part and the lashes. again to the nose, just same same procedure, follow the same procedure with the reference. Just apply the basic with the HB into HB pencil to fill in the nose, and then for the contouring part I've just used a 2B pencil, and for the outlining and to make it more depth with the 6B and 10B pencils to make it even look darker to the inner corners. Then I started blending it with the stump. So make the filling and the blending part very carefully until and unless you make sure that it is okay. So when it comes to the lip part, it's just as easy when we observe carefully. I just filled in with the HB pencil, then I outlined the inner line with a 2B outline and a 2B pencil, and 0.5 mm detailing. For the detailing and for give it more depth, I just used the darker shades of 6B, 8B and 10B pencils, and I just used the brush for the smooth finishing and the stump to blend the inner line and the corners. So I just started blending the face. It's come, so we have to make sure to give the texture to the skin. So I just started a forehead with the basic HB again with the first layer, and then with the 2B to the inner corners, and then with the 4B and 6B. Just blend it all together with the. So for the skin I use the tissue for the smooth finishing and a brush to remove the harsh strokes. So for the skin structure we just need to observe the picture very carefully again. Just we need to make sure that where is the highlight a point and where is the contouring part. Just we need to go with the flow, just making sure with the inner corners as the highlighting points and then the outer corners as the contouring part, that is a dark part. So here it again for the cheeks, same procedure with the HB with the basic first outline and blend it with the brush, and again with the 2B and 4B to the contouring part, and for extra more depth we just need to use 6B pencil. That's it. So for the skin texture we just need to spend time eventually steadily to blend the part and smoothen the texture, to highlight and to contour everything. So for the beard with the making outline points with just normal pencil, that is a lead pencil, and then I just started making it dark and just highlighted by using a mono eraser to the hair strokes, and then applied a darker shade to it with a 8B pencil, and even to make it even more darker sometimes I used 10B pencil. For the neck it's all same, just you need to observe the picture and again the same contouring with the same strokes with the eraser and with the pencil. You just need to blend it all together. So for the skin texture again I used a tissue to blend it smoothly, and also the brush to remove the harsh lines on the paper. So here comes the final out. I hope you enjoyed the process of this sketch, and yes, we'll meet you in the next video.